Some of what I'm about to cover has already been covered in the previous video. It may look different because I changed the theme of PHPStorm. Command-Shift-A. To open this. This is the one that I showed before. And this is the one that's just for being able to open a script in the browser using HTTP. This other one is for PHPStorm to be able to connect directly through SSH to the file system and do things that cannot otherwise be done just through the Mac. Among those things is to browse the file system and possibly run commands on Ubuntu, which is being hosted by my Mac on VirtualBox. Okay, so right now I won't do too much talking. I'm just gonna flash through the screens so that this configuration can be remembered. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. We have the connection tab, the maps tab, the excludes path, and then SSH. We have connection, mappings, excluded paths. With these, you have to add separately whether it's local or deployment. And the directory I used was the vendor because I wanted that to be excluded because Composer basically manages that directory. All right, I'm doing this one over again. The excludes path, the excluded paths, make sure that you add them manually one at a time because that's the only way to be sure whether you added it local or added it deployment path. And I can see here I should not be adding the local vendor path because it's already been excluded on a project level. That's why it's orange up here. All right, so that's it for this video. Well, first I'm going to remove this. Okay, that one, remove path. Okay, so we took care of that problem. Let me just go through all the windows one more time. Excludes path, mappings, connection, sandbox, connection, mappings, exclude path. Okay.